Hey friends, today I have a multimeter and I will try to show you how to use multimeter for voltage, current and resistance. Okay guys, here I have multimeter and these are two wires for operate this meter. This is pointer and when you are using to measure voltage in DC, then you use this pointer in this direction anti-clockwise, means dash that chin. This is DC sign. Okay, here you can measure DC voltage under 20 volts, measure DC voltage under 200 volts, measure DC voltage under 1000 volts. If you want to measure voltage in AC power supply, then you have to use this sign. Okay, use pointer at clockwise direction. If you want voltage in AC under 200 volts, then you will use this pointer at this location. And if you want AC voltage above 200, then you will use this 750 volts. Okay, and when your pointer is fixed on this particular directions or more directions, you would use only these two wires to connect your battery, your voltage source, AC, DC and others. Okay, only you just connect these two cords. In resistance region, you have to move your pointer in that region. Okay, if you want resistance of any metal, of any particular size of wire and other things, then you will move your pointer at 200 ohm. This value is under ohms. From here the value starts from kilo ohm, here also kilo ohm, and that is 20 kilo ohm, that is 200 kilo ohm, that is 2000 kilo ohm. Okay, if you want to measure current in any source, you will use the pointer towards here from 10 ampere, you can understand, and you have to change the pin's direction. You have to move this red pin and connect in, you can see 10 ampere and fuse 10 max. Okay, here, and then use these two wires in series with appliance or sources, and you will measure the value of your current. I hope you will understand the basic functionality of multimeter. Okay, thank you for watching this videos.